the Symbiosis app. And actually, let's open it back on the quest section. I'm going to go to swap. And now we can finally bridge our USDC into Base. And we're going to do max, which is 19.5. And this is the cool thing. It's going to, I'm going to send USDC, but on Base, I'm going to receive Ethereum. So in the middle, as the funds are bridging out, they're going to be swapped from USDC into ETH, which is great because if I were to just send the USDC, then on Base, I will not have any funds to pay for the fees and my funds would get stuck. And I don't want that to happen. So I'm going to do that. And now I'm going to approve the USDC. Price impact is a bit over 1%. It's not ideal, but that always happens with bridges, unfortunately. You will always lose a little bit. Now we're going to set our max cap. Again, transaction fee, 0.000003. It's going to be a little bit more than that, but very cheap, very cheap. And now the funds are on their way. And we got it. We have $18 worth of Ethereum. So we lost $1 on the bridge. Overall, I say that's an acceptable loss. It's not too much. We have 0.006 Ethereum.